Political opportunists must be celebrating after the government removed Sonam from the protest site. This act obviously raises serious democratic concerns. But you already know what happens next. Protesters will use it to prove how righteous they are. The demands will keep getting bigger and more political. So much noise, but I barely hear anything about the students. Look, the paper leak was 100% the government's failure. But are we really naive enough to believe that blaming the government alone will save the students from dying? In 2022, over 2,000 student suicides were officially linked to failure in exams. That's more than 6 students every single day. And between 2018 and 2023, 33 IIT students died by suicide. These kids had already cleared one of the toughest exams in the country. Society told them they were set for life. But the pressure still didn't disappear. So this was never about just clearing JEE or NEET. The real problem is that we have built a society where one score becomes the entire measure of your ability and worth. Even if the government ran the most secure exam in the world tomorrow, would this crisis disappear? Hold the government accountable for institutional failures. But society has to face the role we play too. The pressure that we create on students with our ideas of success, education, jobs and parenting. And whether or not Sonam Wangchuk inspired Rancho's character in Three Idiots, remember what Rancho actually stood for. He refused to let exams and marks decide a student's destiny. He believed in curiosity, skills and building your own path. This is what we should be working towards. Give students modern career guidance and mental health support. Help them build skills beyond just medicine and engineering where everything depends on an exam. Create real opportunities in skilled work and entrepreneurship. And students, please use AI to learn, to explore careers, to build real skills. In so many fields now, your portfolio and your ability to solve problems can even matter more than a degree. Choosing a different path is not the end of your life. And to parents, please stop treating an exam like the final verdict on your child. This crisis is bigger than the BJP and the CJP. A fair exam can stop one kind of injustice, but actually saving students will take something much bigger, which is changing how we understand education, jobs, success and parenting itself. So let's raise our voice for that too.